welcome to the first ever Women to Women Alumni Conference taking place in Amman, Jordan.
In the summer of 2009, Empower Peace reconvened a select group of women-to-women alumni for its first ever Leadership in Action Summit. This one-week conference was designed to take the women-to-women experience to the next level and featured 50 of our most promising alumni.
I always had an interest in international affairs and foreign policy and things like that, but the forum and the environment that Women to Women creates for international discourse from girls, just everyday girls from everyday walks of life, is invaluable.
The Alumni Conference is a series of community service projects, speakers, interactive workshops, and panel discussions, all with the express purpose of giving women-to-women alums a chance to broaden their perspectives, build relationships, and engage in leadership in action. The conference all took place against the backdrop of one of the most progressive cities in the Middle East, Amman, Jordan.
To be in Jordan for the week, it was a completely new experience because I've never actually been out of the U.S. before. And it was great, you know, it was a great experience to travel and to get to know some new people and to learn how to communicate through other ways than speaking, and it taught me a lot.
The young women participated in several service learning projects throughout the country, work that would allow them to implement their own ideas back home. The young women spent a day working with children at an orphanage and beautifying the grounds of the Queen Rania Family Center. To showcase the importance of community involvement and volunteer service, Women to Women alums helped Empower Peace launch a new program called the Global Village. Over 200 Jordanian youth attended this unique volunteerism and civic engagement fair, featuring over a dozen of the country's NGOs.
I think when you have children coming together from everywhere and really finding that they have so much in common, that we're all humans and not to have stereotype, I think finding our common humanity between them is the best way, I would think.
Our alumni met with international women leaders who shared their advice and experience, encouraging conference delegates to work towards bringing about positive social change.
There are going to be moments in your life where there will be a wall, and you are going to have to make the decision of how you're going to climb that wall.
The week's intensive seminars and service projects were also interspersed with visits to important historical and cultural sites within Jordan, including visits to Mount Nebo, the Dead Sea, and the ancient city of Petra.
Very scary. Thank you, Women to Women. Women to Women.
The Women to Women Alumni Conference not only lets our alumni demonstrate leadership in action, but allows them to strengthen their friendships and expand their network. And just imagine 5 or 10 years from now, as these young women are all flourishing in leadership positions around the world, leading through action and changing the world together. That is when the true dividends of Women to Women will take root.
I feel that when I finally figure out what I'm going to do and how I'm going to do it, and I plan to help save the world, I know that I can count on them, and there are not many other people in the world that I know will help me do that, and that's really, really unbelievable to have people like that.
Women to Women!